If you want to clone apps on Redmi 15, then in that case we need to download an app that allows us to clone apps, because unfortunately we do not have a built-in option. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the Play Store, and in this case we're gonna search, and of course we can write something like app cloner, clone app, etc. in order to find multiple different apps. So let's use app cloner in this case, and I'm gonna use this one, the parallel app, dual app cloner. So I'm gonna install this one, and I'm gonna show you how to quickly set up the duplicated version, how to duplicate an app. And of course, feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. They work as well, of course, and this is just a matter of preferences. So once we open this app, we're gonna press agree and continue. And now you can find some example apps that you can immediately duplicate by tapping on them, or you can press add over here and you should be able to open the list of apps that you have installed on your smartphone. So after that, you can select the app that you wish to clone. So let's say I'm gonna add Netflix, and there we go, the clone has been created and immediately opened. But besides that, you can also press and hold your finger on the app in order to, for example, create a shortcut in the home screen, or you can find some other additional options as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.